Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into EdCloud, student and teacher access guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your device. Type the official EdCloud login address in the address bar and press enter. Check that the page shows a secure connection and the correct EdCloud branding. Look for the username field on the login page. Enter your EdCloud username exactly as provided by your school. Click into the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are using a shared device, do not select any option that saves your password. Click the Sign In or Login button to continue. If a Select School prompt appears, choose your district or school from the list. Wait for the dashboard to load and confirm you see your apps and resources. If you are a student, locate your learning apps such as Canvas, PowerSchool, or EdCloud resources. If you are a teacher, locate staff tools like email, reporting, or classroom platforms assigned to you. Click the app icon you need and allow it to open in the same tab or a new tab. If you see a permission prompt, select Allow or Continue to proceed safely. If multi-factor authentication is required, follow the on-screen method your district uses. Enter the verification code or approve the sign-in request if prompted. If the login fails, first retype your username and password to fix common typos. Make sure caps lock is off and that your keyboard language is correct. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link if available on your district setup. If there is no reset link, contact your school's media specialist or IT support for a reset. If the page will not load, refresh the browser and check your internet connection. Try opening the site in an incognito or private window to avoid cached issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies if you keep getting redirected or stuck. If an app does not open, return to the dashboard and try again in a different browser. On school devices, ensure you are signed into the device profile your school assigned to you. When you finish, log out from EdCloud, especially on shared computers. Close the browser to fully protect your account and personal information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.